Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, just a quick video, show you how and when you clean out a filter system, especially a small one like this. You want to clean a filter out when it blocks up or just about to block up. So if the water's passing through the filter and the water's nice and clear, just leave the filter alone. You don't have to do it every week, every 2 or 3 weeks. It just depends on what type of pond you've got really and how quickly it blocks up. For those who don't know, when you clean out your filter, never ever use tap water, so always use pond water. Tap water's got chlorine in, and chlorine obviously kills bacteria. Bacteria live in the filter and these bacteria keep the water healthy. So if you use chlorine, effectively you're going to kill your filter. Okay, so I've got a little bucket of pond water here. Now the idea is to take the foams out. In this filter you've only got foam and you've got some biomedia at the bottom, some plastic pieces basically. So all we need to take out of this one is the foam. It's got lots of sediment on, so we're going to give it a quick wash in the water from the pond and put it back in, and that's as simple as that. Show you how we do it. You can do it one-handed. Just watch out for the spiders. Okay, see all stuff in there, it's all caked up. So hoik it out. Okay, so look at all that. I mean, that, believe me or not, is what keeps your fish alive. So the problem with too much of it just blocks up. All we do, literally, bucket of pond water, give it a good old squeeze out, get rid of all those big bits, shake it off, done. Look at that, seconds that took. Look at the difference. So it's still dirty, it's just now the water will be able to pass through it. Okay, so the next thing, the biomedia at the bottom, you see it's all sort of solidified in corners and different parts. So what we're going to do is give it a good old stir up. This particular filter is quite nice, it's got a little drain on the bottom. So we mix it all up, stir it all up. Nothing fancy, just got a screwdriver. Again, all that there, that is gold dust. It's a shame to get rid of it, but it does block up from time to time. So stir it up, open the back, all that will go out. So you could save that, put it on your garden. Okay, and then even better, use the water that you just used to clean your foams out. Oh, can't do it one-handed. And we'll pour it into there. Flush it out again. Okay, so it looks a bit cleaner, but it's still dirty, so that's ideal. And put the foam back in. And that, for this particular filter, is that. So that's how you clean it. That took me about 30 seconds to do, so pretty quick, nice and easy. Remember, dirty good, block bad, so just clean it when it's blocked. Other than that, leave it alone. We're all for an easy life. Like and subscribe.